This renowned B school holds the prestigious AACSB accreditation and has received an overall rating of 4.2 stars out of 5 by students on Shiksha.com. It is affiliated with Somaiya Vidya Vihar University. Why does KJ Somaiya remain a top choice for aspiring management professionals? Let's find out in this detailed review, starting with 3.9 star rated placements. The 2022-23 placement season at KJ Som saw an impressive lineup of 177 recruiters featuring top names such as ITC, Amazon, HUL, EY, Airtel, PwC, D-Shaw & Co., Accenture, Dell and GSC. The highlight was the highest salary package of approximately 26 lakhs. The average salary, on the other hand, stood at around 12.32 lakh per annum, which was a 12% increase compared with the previous year. While KJSIM has a long-standing history, a relative newcomer like IIM Nagpur outshines it in the average salary offerings attributable to both the IIM tag as well as highly competitive landscape in management education. KJSIM has a dynamic placement cell that maintains a stellar placement rate. This success comes from a rigorous selection process focusing on CVs, live projects, coursework and internships, ensuring students secure top-rank opportunities. Top roles include coveted positions such as management consultant, analyst, project manager, HR manager, and finance and operations manager. The institute ensures that all students secure internships. These internships are offered by top firms such as D-Shaw, Marsh, CISCO, Archesium, and Geo Creative Labs, providing real-world experience. The highest stipend reported was 1.08 lakhs per month with an average of around 60,000. KJSIM offers a diverse range of management programs including an executive MBA, MBA in Healthcare Management, Sports Management, Working Executives. The flagship program is a 2-year full-time MBA which offers 5 majors starting from the second year along with a variety of minors to complement these majors. Aspiring students must meet the eligibility bench of 50% in their UG. Not only this, candidates must navigate through an intense selection process that includes cracking renowned entrance exams, going through written ability tests, group discussions and interviews. A quick look at the CAT cutoff trend at KJ Som depicts a flat curve over the years, whereas its neighbor IIM Nagpur is witnessing cutthroat competition every year from MBA aspirants. Speaking of cost, the total MBA cost here can reach 20.87 lakhs, which on the average salary expectancy of around 12.32 lakhs can give decent first-year returns. KJ Som has an impressive 4.4 star rating for its infrastructure. The college offers an expansive 60-acre campus where students have appreciated the seamless Wi-Fi coverage, the resourceful library, air-conditioned academic buildings, and modern classrooms equipped with high-quality projectors. The campus features advanced labs dedicated to research and education equipped with advanced Bloomberg terminals. KJSIM offers separate hostels for girls and boys featuring double and triple sharing rooms. While the rooms lack air conditioning, the hostel ensures that students stay well fed with the availability of 3 canteens on campus. The quality of the mess food is inconsistent and often lacks flavor, say students who thankfully found the quality of canteen food to be more appreciable. The institute is deeply committed to sports, boasting all major sports grounds and provides relevant training to students. The campus has a synthetic running track and facilities for football and volleyball, ensuring comprehensive support for athletic pursuits. Shifting gears to the 1.4 star rated faculty and course curriculum. The faculty members are seasoned professionals with extensive industry experience. They are dedicated towards providing experiential learning, ensuring that students gain practical, real-world insights alongside theoretical knowledge. They are mentors more than teachers. The curriculum is based on the trimester system. It includes extensive industry visits, seminars, and internships preparing them for professional world. Students also have the opportunity to participate in semester exchange programs. Moreover, the institute offers an immersive international program in the US, UK, China, Germany, and Japan. Semester exams effectively assess student learning and with a pass percentage typically ranging from 40 to 50%. Coming to the 4.3 star rated campus life now. KJ Som keeps students thoroughly engaged with a plethora of exciting events. The highlight is the vibrant annual fest, complemented by various committee-specific fests throughout the year. Talking about its NIRF rank, the institute has shown significant improvement, jumping up by 26 spots within a span of just 1 year. So this was all about KJSIM. For more details on KJSIM or to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.